Today we're going to make something to hold trash in our car. We need 2 pieces of fabric, 11.5 inches by 16.5 inches. We need a main fabric and a lining fabric. We need a 2-inch by 16-inch piece of fabric for the handle. We may make that shorter, but let's start with that. And then we need a 5-inch embroidery hoop. Fold down the long edge, the 16.5-inch edge of the fabric, 1/4 inch. Press it. Fold it down another 1/4 inch, press it, then stitch it. Do the same with the other piece of fabric. Now fold one of the fabrics in half, right sides together, matching raw edges. Starting at the top, stitch the sides and bottom using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Do the same with the other piece. Turn the main fabric right side out. Place the lining inside the main fabric with the wrong sides facing each other. Match the top finished edges. Sew over the finished stitches to secure the pieces together. Place into hoop and adjust as necessary. For the handle, iron the piece of fabric in half lengthwise. Open it back up and fold in the end 1/2 inch. Now fold the sides in to meet the center line. Fold it in half one more time, then press it. Go ahead and take it out to your car and see if it's the right length. If it's too long, go ahead and cut some off before the next step. Once you have the right length, go ahead and top stitch all the way around. Feed it through the top of the hoop and sew the ends together. And you're ready to go.